Did you know you can add NocoDB into your Hermes Agent? Hermes Agent is everywhere right now, and yes, the hype is real. Connect it to NocoDB and it gets much more useful. Your agent can work with data you actually own. And here is how you can connect them. So in order to add your NocoDB API to the Hermes Agent, it is really simple. First, you will need to have your Hermes Agent installed, either CLI or the desktop application. And next, you will need to open your terminal window. So let me zoom in so we can see it better. And you need to edit the Hermes configuration file. I will include all the commands in the shareable document for you so we can copy and paste them. And basically what are we going to do? We are going to edit with nano Hermes config environmental file. So press that, scroll completely on the bottom, and then you want to add three variables. First is the NocoDB URL. Either it can be on the cloud like app.nocodb.com or your self-hosted URL. Then you will need to add your base ID from the URL. And lastly, you will need to get your API token. So let me grab the API token quickly. Okay, I got it copied. I paste it here. And don't worry, this token is already revoked, so don't try anything funny with it. Ctrl O, enter the confirm, and Ctrl X to exit. And now we should have it there. And the next command is basically to add this to our Hermes agent so it can use it. So let me grab the command. And basically it is Hermes MCP add NocoDB via npx, and here are the environmental variables from the file we created. Press enter, and as you can see, it is connecting to NocoDB. It found 11 tools, and you can enable or disable tools you don't need. By default, just press Y to use all the tools available. And then basically you want to just try Hermes MCP test NocoDB and test passed, and also you can do Hermes MCP list, and we have our NocoDB. Alright, and next thing, you can just ask your Hermes agent, can you please check our NocoDB base? You just ask it and your Hermes agent will know automatically what to do, and you can set up a lot of things with it. And that's it. It is really simple. Hermes can now talk to NocoDB and work with your data. The Hermes hype is real. Now it has a database to match. What should you connect to Hermes next? Drop in the comments and subscribe to NocoDB channel for more practical AI and no-code tutorials.